I am making enchiladas today, y'all. Decided to come on here and show y'all that I was making some homemade enchiladas. I'm just showing you a few items that you use for the recipe. I have some red enchilada sauce there. You can use corn tortillas or you can use flour tortillas. I prefer corn. And I have some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese. And I also have some mozzarella cheese there and some chopped onions. So today I am making homemade enchiladas. And I had already started the meat process. You can use about 1 pound of ground beef. My meat is already cooking here. And I just have those chopped onions over in it. And here's the sauce. This is the enchilada sauce. It's just about ready to make the enchiladas.